This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying system compatibility. Check your Windows 11 build and that you're running 64-bit. Once confirmed, install the Visual C++ redistributables and the required NET runtime. These libraries are why Translucenttb often fails. Next, close or disable other taskbar modifiers and restart Explorer to create a clean baseline. You do this so the tool can hook into the taskbar without contention, and it avoids stubborn state conflicts that block translucency from applying correctly. Run the Translucenttb installer with administrator rights so it can register itself for startup and access Explorer APIs. Once installed, launch it and choose to start with Windows. This prevents timing problems during boot. Apply the built-in clear theme first to validate rendering, then adjust opacity and blur to taste. Make sure to save a profile. These steps ensure the app initializes reliably and that your chosen settings persist across restarts, avoiding intermittent failures caused by race conditions. Finish by confirming Translucenttb loads after a full reboot. If not, delete its config and app data and reinstall to clear corrupt settings. Make sure Windows accessibility options like high contrast or color filters are off because they override translucency. If problems persist, run Translucenttb as administrator and temporarily disable other shell extensions or taskbar utilities. This isolates conflicts. A single key troubleshooting tip. Running as admin while other shell mods are disabled resolves most stubborn cases, letting translucency apply reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.